Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about types of colors like LUT and HSL on Filmora. So, we have now a simple video here on the timeline, and we have LUT colors. This is so interesting because you can change the colors of the video like on movies. For example, you have Cyberpunk, Walking Dead, Star Wars and many others. You can strengthen the colors as you want. Okay, now we have HSL colors. Here you can strengthen hue, saturation or luminance of different colors like red, green, yellow and so on. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.